Welcome to 58Joralemon. 58Joralemon is an online platform that makes business certification and verification easier. We have designed our web application for small business and practitioners to help them certify their business as minority, veteran, or women-owned and verify their insurance, business license, or professional license. Let us guide you on how you can verify your business license with 58Joralemon. You can breeze through your business license verification by ensuring you have everything you need. Check out the eligibility criteria and required documentation for your application. Once you have this information, you can begin your application to verify your business license. Here's what you need to do. 1. Choose the business license verification option on our website. 2. In the available application form, provide all the necessary information about your business. 3. Upload the required documents to our secure platform. 4. Check the accuracy of your information before making the payment. 5. Pay the $99 fee through our application using any of the popular payment methods such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. With these simple steps, you can easily verify your business license and ensure that your business operates legally and ethically. Once you're done, our experts will take over. We will review your submitted information and verify your business in 7 to 15 days. You can check this under Business Verification in My Applications. If everything goes smoothly, we'll notify you via email when your application is approved. You can then log in to 58Joralemon to view and download the proof of verification. We are delighted that we were able to assist you in understanding the business license verification process. To learn more about what 58Joralemon can offer you, please visit our website at 58joralemon.com.